Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add lines or grids to Samsung Notes on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and open up Samsung Notes. In here, tap on the menu button on the left hand side. From the pop-out menu, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down to the general section and tap on style of new notes, and then select template tab at the top. Next, go down and select which line that you would like to use. So a small line is used for a smaller font, and a medium line used for a larger font. And if you want even a larger font, you want to select a larger line. So select one of the line type that you want to use, and then tap on the back key. And when you create a new note, it will have lines in it, and then you can start to type. This is a test, and you can see there are now lines in your note. And you can also add a grid, so we can go back to the menu. So go into settings and then select template, and this time we can select grid and tap on back. And when we create a new note, this time it will show a grid instead of the line. Here you go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.